If your Shopify checkout is showing unexpected taxes or shipping fees, and you want a cleaner, simpler checkout experience for your customers, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify, step by step with no confusion. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, you'll land on your store's main dashboard, the control center for everything in your online shop. Now, look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings. This will open up a page with all your store options, things like payments, shipping, and taxes. From here, go ahead and click on Taxes and Duties. Inside this section, you'll see different settings that control how taxes are applied across your store. We're going to make a few small adjustments to stop Shopify from automatically adding taxes and shipping fees during checkout. First, open the Global Settings area. This is where you'll find the main tax controls for your entire store. Now, look for a checkbox labeled Include sales tax in product prices and shipping rates. If it's checked, uncheck it. This stops Shopify from including taxes in your product prices or adding them during checkout. Next, find the option that says Charge sales tax on shipping. If it's turned on, turn it off. This prevents Shopify from automatically applying taxes to your shipping costs. And if you see the option Charge VAT on digital goods and you don't sell digital products, go ahead and switch that off too. Once all those settings are adjusted, scroll down and hit Save at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial. Otherwise, your changes won't stick. And that's it. You've just removed taxes and shipping fees from being calculated at checkout on your Shopify store. By simplifying this part of the process, you're making checkout faster and less confusing for your customers, which can lead to a smoother shopping experience and even fewer abandoned carts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out my other Shopify tutorials for more ways to optimize your store in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.